150 ringgit. No lah, for those who are going to get lah, not all lah. Okay. I think recording also already. Okay, for today we are going to look at our second revision actually. The first one we done already yesterday, finished already. So for today we are going to look at the second revision. Okay, in a bookstore promotion, 8 notebooks are sold for 34 ringgit. Faisal bought a few notebooks and paid with 2 pieces of if the balance received was 15 ringgit. So over here, I'm going to copy lah, so that we can put. You get how much? 20 books. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So if you look over here. Okay. First of all, 8 books over here is going to be 34 ringgit, isn't it? This one. 8 notebooks sold for 34 ringgit. So first of all, I'm going to find, yes. For one of books over here, you are going to get 4 ringgit and 25 cents for one notebook. One notebook. Okay. So Faisal bought a few. Did we know how many of notebooks? No. But what we have over here, 50 ringgit, and he received the balance of 15 ringgit. Means that 2 times with 50 minus with 50 ringgit means that I'm gonna get 85 ringgit. So means that he spent 85 ringgit to buy how many books? Yes, 8 ringgit 25. 85 ringgit is going to be divided by 4 ringgit and 25 cents. You are going to get 20 notebooks. Easy, right? Is this the questions coming out? So easy. No lah. Are you sure? You want this question? Oh, like this question lah. Like this, not this question. Like this question. Okay. Followed by our second question. Okay, I'm going to copy here. Okay, simplify the equation m plus 2 over 4m minus 1 equals to 1. What should I do first? I'm going to make it as in equation without fraction, isn't it? So what should I do? So means that I'm going to bring everything here is going to be divide, isn't it? So what should I do? I'm going to bring to that side, to the right side, is going to be times. Times with 1 means that is going to be m plus 2 equals to 4m minus 1 back. Isn't it? So after that, we are going to put a like term. Means that for our m, we are going to bring with m. Okay, so over there, we are going to have -1, -2. So 3m equals to -3. M is going to be -1, isn't it? Wait, for m bring there, -1, -1, -2. M equals to -1. Done? Okay. Next question. Number 3 question you left for me to do. Okay, we look at number 3 now. Okay. What we have over here. Copy and paste here. Okay. Faisal puts 126 blue colored marbles. Okay. Yellow marbles into a few jars. Given that the number of marbles is the same according to its color in each jar, calculate the maximum. This is the keywords. Maximum number of jar needed to fill all the marbles. What method should we use? It's called what? It's called it's called highest common factor. So for this one, I'm going to have what? First, 1 to 6 of blue colored marbles, 90 red colored marbles, and 108 yellow marbles. So I'm going to find one number that are going to satisfy 3 of our number over there. So we start with 2. 63. This is going to be 45. And this is going to be 54. After that, can we use 2 to satisfy 3 of our equation? 3 of our number over here? Cannot. So what number should I use next is 3. So 3 times what to get 63? 21. 3 times what to get 45? 15, is it? 3 times what to get 54? 3, 2, 1. 21. 18. 54. After that, what should I do? Can divide it again by 3, isn't it? So you are going to get over here is 7, 5, 6. After that, 7, 5, 6. Can 3 of our number here? Cannot. So because of this one is HCF. We want to find the maximum. If minimum, you are going to use LCM. So you are going to find until 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So over here, what should I do? I'm going to take 2 times 3 times 3 over here means you are going to have the maximum number of our jars is going to be 2 times 3 times 3 is 18 jars. So if you look there, if I want to ask you a question, how many jars should for yellow marbles, okay, for yellow marbles, for each jar how much of marbles are going to in our one jar, one for yellow jar is going to be one for yellow marble is going to be 6 of marbles going to put in our 18 jars. So 18 times 6, you are going to get 108. You are going to get the amount. Okay, 108, 90 red colored marbles and 126 blue colored marbles. Can you understand? Can? Okay. Next question. Oh, straight away 18. Okay. Let's discuss this one. Okay. Okay, given 3k equals to 30 plus m over n minus m. If given k is 5 and m equals to 15, what should I do first? Do I substitute first? Can I substitute with the value given? K equals to 5 and also M equals to 15. Can or cannot? Can. So this one you are going to get 3 times with 5. You are going to get 15 equals to 30 plus with 15 over N that we are going to find minus 15. Isn't it? So what should I do? I'm going to bring everything here to the left hand side. So it's going to be times. So I'm going to have over here 15 times n, 15n. 15 times with negative 15. Negative 225, isn't it? Equals to 30 plus 15. I'm going to get 45 over here. Then I'm going to bring back negative 2 to 5 to the right side. I'm going to get what? 50n equals to 45 plus with 225. What do you get? 270. So can I find my n now? 270 divided by 15. What do you get? 80. Huh? I did something else. The answer is the same, but the method you're using is different. Okay. Good. Any question? No question. So easy, no question lah. If hard, also no question, isn't it? Okay, we look at question. Never do yet. Okay, so I give you time to understand first. Understand the question. Before I do the questions. Who on the line? Oh, we have so many here. Hi, Razvina, Shivani, Tabashri. Assalamualaikum, Dia, Nur Sofia.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So did you get the module or the revision 2 I put in our group?
Yes,
Got.
sir. Got.
Got already, yeah. Okay. So please do number 5 now. Did you do that done already or not? Not yet.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Not yet. Please do first. Number 5. Before I proceed, please do first. I give you 5 minutes to do this. Okay, what we have over here. Okay, wait, I already copyright. Okay. Got to put it here lah. Okay. Okay, what we have over here, the length of a piece of red ribbon and a piece of yellow ribbon are X centimeter and Y centimeter. So you have already what ribbon? Red ribbon is our X and our yellow ribbon is our Y there. Camellia used a piece of a red ribbon and 4 pieces of yellow ribbons to tie a present, while Kadria, her sister, used 3 pieces of red ribbons and 2 pieces of yellow. Given that the total lengths of the ribbons used by Camellia and Kadria are 36 centimeter and 38 centimeter respectively. So the questions here form 2 linear equations based on the above situation. What is linear equation over here? What is linear equation? What is linear equation? an equation, good. Linear equation is an equation, okay. It's going to have what? The equal sign. Equation, equal sign, must have equal sign. Okay. And must have what there? X and Y. Ah. So if you look over there, how many percent will say? So if I want to make, so this one means we are going to have two linear equation, means that it's going to be based on the first one, the first linear equation is going to be based on Camellia. The second linear equation is going to be based to Cadria there. Okay, so for the Camellia there. Red ribbon, how much did she use? A piece means what? One piece. So if red ribbon here is X, so I'm going to put 1X or just X. Isn't it? And then she also used what? 4 pieces of yellow ribbons. Means what? 4Y. Okay. Emilia. Cadria used 3 pieces of red ribbons. So, for Cadria, 3X. You're going to get 3X. And 2 pieces of yellow ribbons. 2Y. Okay. The up there is going to be Camellia. The second one there is going to be Cadria. Okay. This is not in question yet. That's what we get from our questions. Okay. Given that the total. What does it mean by total? Total means that total here. Of the ribbon used by different for Camellia 1 and for Cadria 1. Okay, for total for Camellia is going to be 36. Means that we are going to have over here equals to 36. And for Cadria number 1. Okay, form 2 linear equation based on the above situation. At home or online, student can?
Can, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so after we have 2 linear equation over here. If you look at the second question, find the value of y. Find the value of y. What do you type? How did we want to find the value of y? Anyone? Somebody? Nobody? My find? Okay, Ken. What method did you want to use? Remember, we have 3 methods. We have discussed before this.
Sir, MX plus YC.
The elimination method.
That elimination method. One more. Substitution method. The other one.
Graphical method.
Graph method. Yes, graph method. We have done this. Okay. So for our linear equation, okay, to solve this one, you have 3 methods. Substitution, elimination, and also graph method. So of course lah, if you look over here, for the first equation, we have x plus plus 2y equals to 38. So which method you want to use? Now we have three methods. Like I say, which method you want to use? Substitution. You are going to use substitution. No problem, can. No problem. Okay. Your friend want to do substitution. Okay, let me Oh, sorry. Wait. Not this one. Okay, your friend want to do, this is first equation, second equation. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to show both of the method, which is the first one your friend asked for the substitution. Okay, so if you look over here, you want to which unknown? Means that you are going to use the first linear equation there. Okay, so you are going to use the variable of x or y. Like not confident. Why? X. Okay, if you look there, we are going to use x. Why? Because they are. Okay. So if we are going to use substitute. Okay, substitute. Substitute. Right. Substitute. Isn't it? Yeah. Substitution. Okay. So I'm going to substitute the first equation over here. Means that I'm going to change from x plus 4y over here. I'm going to get x equals to 36 minus 4y. Can? From first equation, I'm going to substitute, which is the value of our the unknown x there. Okay, so I'm going to bring 4y to the right side. So I'm going to get, I'm going to sub this one into what? Okay, this one is going to be our third equation. After that, I'm going to sub third equation into equation 2. Cannot sub into equation 1. It's going to get the same equation back. Okay. So over here, we are going to substitute with the variable x, isn't it? So I'm going to copy back 3. Okay, x, everything there is going to be 36 minus 4y. And just copy from our second equation plus 2y equals to 38, isn't it? So now, I'm going to, yes, expand this one. So 36 times 3? 108. Okay, 108 minus 8. So if you look over here, we have the same term for y here. And 108, I'm going to bring to the right side. It's going to be 38 minus with 108. Am I right? You are going to have over here is negative 70. On the left side, negative 12 plus with 2y, you are going to get what? Negative 10y. So now, can you find for y over here? That one times. Bring that. Divide. So you are going to have y equals to negative 70 divided by negative 10. You are going to get y here is 7. Straight away. Why did what? Okay. How about x? Can I find the value of x? Just substitute back into the third equation, isn't it? Because the question asks for y, so you just want to check back. Okay. Y equals to 7. I'm going to substitute into our third equation. So I'm going to have over here is 7. So 4 times 7, you are going to get 28. So 36 minus 28, I'm going to get for my x here is going to be 8. So if you substitute into any of our linear equation just now, you are going to get the same value, 36 and 38. If you look, x is the 8 plus with 4 times with 7. Did you get 36? First equation. You'll get your x 28. So 8 plus with 28, you get the answer here is 36. Isn't it, Emma? Yeah. Okay. If you use the second linear equation also, you are going to get the same. 3 times with 8, 24, plus with 2 times with 7, 14, you are going to get 38. Am I right? Yes. Yep. So your value here is correct lah for your x and y. This is for substitution. The other method? No. Elimination. How about elimination? Okay, for elimination, oh, so big. Okay. If we go for elimination, girls, okay, how did identify or you determine first which variable you are going to eliminate? If you look over here, we have x and y, isn't it? So which variable you are going to eliminate, x or y? You have to identify first. Okay, you are going to, your friend want to eliminate x. Okay, if you are going to eliminate x, if you look over here, this one got 3x. This one got 1, isn't it? In front there, 1x. So how did we are going to eliminate if the number of our variable there is not the same? So what should we do? Yes, I'm going to times for the first equation with 3. So means that because you are going to eliminate x, isn't it? So you are going to get the first equation become plus 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 12y, isn't it? Equals to 36 times 3. You are going to get 108. So this going to be your third equation, isn't it? This one from first equation. From first equation, you are going to get third equation. After that, sub. No, not yet, because you are going to eliminate. So you are going to take back your second equation over there, 3x plus 2y equals to 38. If you look over there, okay, this one is second equation. So over here, you say you want to eliminate x, isn't it? So which one you want to eliminate? How did we want to eliminate? We are going to minus, isn't it? Because we are not going to eliminate means they are going to be 0 for our x here lah. Because you said you are going to eliminate x, means you are not going to have any more x variable over here. So if I look over here, I'm going to take from the third equation, I'm going to minus with first equation. The third equation minus with 1. Okay, minus with second equation. So what I'm going to get over here, 3x minus 3x, finish. Finish, right? So over here, 12 minus with 2y. Yes, you are going to get 10y. 108 minus with 38. You are going to get 70. Y equals to? 7. Oh my God. That. And then, if I substitute back into the first equation, this one, we got this one. So I have the y value over here. I substitute in 7 equals to 36. So I'm going to get 36 minus with 28. So you are going to get your x value over here is going to be 8. Did you get the same one like what we have over here? Yep. So this is for substitution. This is for elimination. Okay, please remember that you are going to use this method, these two methods, until your form 5. This method you are going to use. Because later you can use another method which is a matrix method. Matrix. By using this one, linear equation, you are going to find the value of x and y by using, so I consider as the fourth method here is going to use matrix method. That's going to be in your SPM, but for sure, equation first. If you didn't have your linear equation, of course, you cannot do anything to find your value of x and y here. Can online student?
Can, sir.
Can. Okay, so you want to copy or not? Because this one also got recording, so I think you can see from the recording later, isn't it? Okay.
So the recording you have to send us, or
The link. I'm going to upload this recording into my YouTube channel, and then I will give the link to your Telegram. Telegram.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, group Telegram. Okay. Later, but I didn't upload yet. Later I will upload. Okay. Okay. Can we move to the next question?
Yeah.
Questions number 6 over here. Yeah. This is going to be our, what question is this? Consumer or financial mathematics. Also, you can say like that lah. Financial. Okay, what we have over here, Puan Rosiana deposits 20,000 in a fixed deposit account with an interest rate 4.2% per annum and compounded. Compounded every 3 months. This one, of course, maybe some of you want to ask, in the exam, did the formula given or not? In exam, did the formula given or not? Yes. The formula will be given, but you must understand which formula you are going to use lah. Because they are going to have a list of formula, maybe 2 pages. 2 pages of formula given. So you are going to look for the formula. Okay? Okay. But if you have formula but you don't know how to use it also, it's not going to help you. Okay. Calculate the total interest received by Puan Rosana after 2 years. So, matured value. How did the formula? Did you remember? MV? Okay, our formula, matured value equals to, we have our principal first, isn't it? Okay, in the bracket there is going to be 1 plus R over N. Close the bracket with the power of NT, isn't it? This is the formula. No need to remember, the formula will be given to you, but you must know how to substitute. This one. What is it? Okay, now, what does 20,000 means here? Yeah, cash. Thank you, cash. Okay, this is our principal, P. And then, what does it mean by 4.2% over here? Is going to be our rate, okay, compounded every 3 months. What does it mean? Compounded every 3 months means that in a year, 3 months compounded, 3 months compounded. Is it your N there? Is it your N is 3? No, don't confuse. This one compounded every 3 months. If you just put here 3, 12 over 3. You have 1 year, means that every 4 months. Every 4 months. 6. So it's going to be 4 parts, isn't it? Or 12 years divided by 3, you are going to get 4. This is your N. This one compounded. Every 1 year is going to be compounded 3 months. Compounded. 3 months. It's going to be complete 1 year, 12 months. Can you understand? Cannot. Can? Okay, be careful. Do not straight away say, compounded every 3 months. So 3 months here is our N. Wrong. That's why I said you must know how to find your substitution over here. Okay. Calculate the total interest received from Puerto Rico after 2 years. So 2 years here means that this is going to be our type D here. And just now we have. So now can we just substitute into our formula? Yes. So the measured value over here 20,000 times with 1 plus rate over here. I'm going to put it in decimal. 4.2% is going over N here is 4. And then N over here also 4 times with 2. Or 8 lah. Straight away you can get that one. But I'm going to substitute one by one there. Okay. So for sure, you are going to use your BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS? Bracket, power of, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtract. Okay, so which one first? In the bracket first, isn't it? So please use your calculator. 1 plus with 0.042 divided by 4. What do you get? 1 plus 0.042 over 4. I got 1.0105. There, how to use calculator also important here. If wrong, you are going to how to use your calculator. Ayo, use calculator also need to know. If not, bye-bye. You straight away over to the power of 8 No need lah. There, she put the N and T value there. Yalah, 4 times 2 straight away. Supposedly, you are going to write, or you are going to put it like this in the bracket first. 1 plus with 0.042 over 4. So you are going to get 1.0105. There? You see that? One by one. Don't straight away, or 20,000 on the bracket, or power of, you are going to get wrong. Why? Am I wrong? Is something wrong with my calculation? Okay, 20,000, this one you are going to get 1.0105 and to the power of 8. Okay, so now by using your calculator again, you are going to get answer straight away. Power of 8 times straight away with 20,000. Or you are going to put 20,000 times with answer power of 8. So the answer here, you are going to get 21,743 ringgit. And this one, you are not going to put 0.0537. Huh? So you are going to get what? Cents. 5 cents, isn't it? So the answer here is going to be 21,743 ringgit 5 cents. Okay. Did we have the question? The question asked for what? Total interest she received. This is the interest plus with her money, 20,000 there. So to find the interest over here, total interest, only you are going to get 21,743 ringgit 5 cents. I'm going to minus with 20,000. The money that he put there, 1,743 ringgit 5 cents. That's going to be your final answer. This one, be careful with compounded there. Maybe this type of question going to come out. So be careful. Maybe if I say compounded every 4 months. 12 divided by 4, you are going to get 3. The end value for your if compounded every 2 months, 6. Okay, be careful. Just take the whole year is 12 months divided with compounded. So you get the answer for your end there. How many times did compounded in 1 year? Okay. Can I proceed? Girls at online girls?
Can, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can understand. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now the last question. 12, almost 12:50 already. Okay, list all the integer value of x which satisfy the linear inequalities. So how? What should we do first? Easy. What should we do first? For me, I'm going to separate. For me lah. Maybe some of you said they are going to use it straight away. Also can lah. Okay, for me, I'm going to separate. How? This is going to be the first one. And the second one here is going to be this one. What 1, 2, 3? First one I have over here, -3 less than 4x plus 1. The second one I have over there is 4x plus 1 less than and equals to 13. Can you understand that one first? I separate. Okay. After that, I'm going to do one by one. Okay. So if I want to find my x there, means that I'm going to move 1 to the left. So it's going to be minus -3 minus 1. I'm going to get -4. Am I right? Less than 4x. After that, I'm going to bring my 4 over here to the left. So is it our inequality sign will change or not? The inequality sign over here is going to be less than, isn't it? If I bring 4 at x there to the left, is it the sign is going to be changed, switch? Just now she said, yes, no, I don't know. Okay, remember. Okay, at home also, online, okay, remember. The inequality sign will change if we times or divide with negative sign. Means that if I have over there negative 4x, I bring to the left, means that it's going to be divide by -4, isn't it? So the sign is going to change. But this one, is it a negative value there? No. 4 only, right? Not the -4 there. At x there. Beside x. Is 4 only, right? So no need to change. So what I'm going to have over here is -4 divided by 4. -4 divided by 4 less than x. So you are going to get x is more than -1. Less than x. Isn't it same, right? X is more than 1 or 1 is less than x. Same. Okay. The second one over here. I'm going to bring first 1 to the right. So you are going to have over here is 4x less than and equals to 13 minus 1, 12. After that, I'm going to bring 4 over here to the right side. Is it our inequality sign will change? No. Okay. So you are going to have over here x is less than and equals to 12 divided by 4? 3. So if you look over here, okay, we are going to combine both of the inequalities over here. Okay, I'm going to, or I'm going to draw my number line. 0. So, oh sorry, we're not going to start with 0 there. Okay, 0 is here lah, because we have 1. Yeah, the first one. We have this one. X is less, and 1 is less than x. So it's going to be here, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Here. Less than 1. Wait. I think I want to change. 1 is less than x. X is more. Sorry. This is going to be x is more than 1, isn't it? So it's going to be to the right here. And then the other one here, x is less than and equal. So it's going to be here. Isn't it? Less than and equal. So where is our x at? X here is 1, 2. Isn't it? So x here is going to be more than 1. So 1 is included. Less than or equals to 3 is going to be 1, 2, and 3 there. Isn't it? My bad. What is my mistake? What is my mistake? Anyone? Can you tell me what is my mistake here? Tang, tang, tang. More than -1 means that I have to have another one here, -1. So this one cannot here. So I'm going to have from here, isn't it? So means that I'm going to include what here? Yes. -1 is not because it's more than -1. -1 is not included. So sorry. There, sign. There. My mistake there. Careless mistake. -4 divided by 4. Straight away I put 1 there. Okay, be careful. Oh, why? Can girls? Online student can?
Can, sir.
Can,
Can, sir.
Okay, you can draw the number line. It's easy for you to see. Okay, so I think I stop until here first for the online student because after this I got another class to attend. So thank you for joining us, Rashmita, Rasvina, Tavashri, Dia, Nor Sofia, and Shivaini. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
sir.
much. Okay. Going to
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Bye-bye.